How to recover a Temu account. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you'll find this option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you will land to the login page. Now over here, you will need to type in your email or phone number linked with your account. After you type in, click on continue. Now click on this option of forget password. Confirm your email address below and they will send you 6-digit code to reset your password. Click on submit. Now you can go and check your mail, close this, launch your Gmail. You will be receiving code from the Temu. You can see that I have received the mail from Temu. Now you have to open that mail. With that you will get this code. Now you can copy this code and then type in over here. After you type in the code, now you have to generate password for your account. So type in new password for your Temu account. Once you type in, click on submit. With that, your password has been reset and your Temu account has been recovered. Well, this is how you can easily recover your Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.